Hey guys, how you doing? Jack Scalfani here, and this is a last minute video. We weren't planning this. We literally just got back from the store with these ingredients. But first I want to tell you, I just got a message from someone who said I never reviewed that Serbian knife that I bought, the big hatchet Serbian knife. I never showed you guys it at all. I've used it, but I never talked about it. So be looking for that in an upcoming episode. I'm going to be giving you details. This isn't the video for that, but thank you. You guys ask me, challenge me, do whatever. Just get in touch with me and let me know what you need, all right? So this recipe, where did this recipe? It's called Lazy Man's Holy Dip. Why is it Lazy Man's? Because it's super easy. You put everything together, you microwave it, you mix it, and you just run with it. It's awesome. So I got a message from Teresa, a friend of the family, and she knows I'm always bringing food to our Bible study. Well, today's our Bible study, so she had asked us a few days ago. She said, hey, you think you could bring this dip to Bible study? So I'm like, well, whatever. And I looked at the recipe, and it was super easy. Probably the easiest thing I've ever cooked for Bible study. So so we're going to have fun today making it. So I'm not going to be able to taste it at the end. But I'll show you in a banner below when I'm editing how much I liked it, or if I didn't like it. If I recommend don't make it, I'll tell you, okay? So let's get started with Lazy Man's Holy Dip. Okay guys, everything you see here is for a double batch because we got a large group that we're meeting with tonight. But I gotta tell you, first you wanna preheat your oven. Get it up to about 400 degrees because number one, you gotta cook the bacon. Number two, you gotta cook the recipe. Okay? So put your oven right now at 400. Let's get started. You got the bacon, you got the cream cheese, you got the crackers, green onions, sour cream, and shredded cheese. And now, first thing I want you to do is cook all your bacon and meet me back here. Okay guys, so we're starting in this bowl with all of our sour cream. Alright, we're just going to add our other ingredients into this. We'll mix it in this, dump it in a baking dish. Alright, so let's do this next. Then we're going to put the cheese in. Sour cream, cheese, and cheese. Can't get enough cheese in this recipe. I'm saving just a little bit of onions for the top. Well, just a little bit. There. Putting that off to the side. There we go. And then I'm doing the same thing with the bacon. So I'm using most of the bacon. Saving a little bit to sprinkle on top. Alright, let's get this thing all mixed up. Hold on a minute. Alright, get it kind of flat. You don't have to worry about it too much because this is going to flatten out as it cooks, okay? And then I'm going to take the bacon crumbles and put them on top. And then the onions. There we go. Okay, and that is, before we pop it in to the oven, there's your Lazy Man's Holy Dip. You're going to cook this on 400 from between 20 to 30 minutes. Keep an eye on it. You'll know when it's ready. It's going to get a little golden brown around the edges. Alright? Let's get this in there. Okay, we're about ready to go to Bible study. We're going to put a lid on this. We're going to bring our crackers so that everybody at the group can try it out. And I'll give it a taste over at the gathering. See you in a bit.